Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Proud Peacock and the Wise Turtle. In a quiet forest, a peacock loved to show off his bright feathers. He would walk around telling everyone he was the most beautiful animal. The other animals grew tired of his pride. One day, he met a slow-moving turtle. The peacock laughed at the turtle and said, "You are so plain and slow." The turtle calmly replied, "Beauty is not everything." A strong storm suddenly came, and the peacock struggled to fly. His heavy feathers made it hard for him to escape. Meanwhile, the turtle quietly hid in his shell and stayed safe. After the storm, the peacock realized his mistake. He learned that being humble is more important than being proud. Moral of the story: pride can lead to trouble. Humility keeps us safe. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the animals get tired of the peacock? A. He was too quiet. B. He was too slow. C. He was too proud. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. He was too proud. Question number 2. What did the turtle say about beauty? A. It is everything. B. It is not everything. C. It is not important. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. It is not everything. Question number 3. What happened during the storm? A. The peacock was safe. B. The peacock struggled. C. The turtle ran away. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The peacock struggled. Question number 4. How did the turtle stay safe? A. He ran fast. B. He hid in his shell. C. He climbed a tree. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. He hid in his shell. Question number 5. What lesson did the peacock learn? A. Be humble. B. Be proud always. C. Be fast. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Be humble. The honest woodcutter. A woodcutter was cutting wood near a river. Suddenly, his axe slipped and fell into the water. He felt very sad because it was his only tool. A fairy appeared and offered him a golden axe. The woodcutter said it was not his. She showed him a silver axe, but he again said no. Finally, she showed his old axe, and he happily accepted it. The fairy rewarded his honesty by giving him all 3 axes. The woodcutter thanked her and went home happy. Moral of the story: honesty brings rewards. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. What fell into the river? A. An axe. B. A bag. C. A hat. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. An axe. Question number 2. Who appeared? A. A king. B. A fairy. C. A friend. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. A fairy. Question number 3. What did the fairy offer first? A. Golden axe. B. Wooden axe. C. Silver axe. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A, a golden axe. Question number 4. What did the woodcutter choose? A, golden axe. B, his own axe. C, silver axe. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B, his own axe. Question number 5. Why was he rewarded? A, because he was strong. B, because he was fast. C, because he was honest. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, because he was honest.
Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.